Are you looking for the best car cleaning gels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best car cleaning gels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is a perfect tool for cleaning your car's hard-to-reach spaces. With its eco-friendly cleaning gel, you can easily remove dust from your car air vents, steering wheel, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, and dashboard. The gel is easy to use, just push it into any little cracks, and the dust will be carried away. It's also reusable, and can be used multiple times until the gel turns black. The cleaning gel is suitable not only for cars, but also for home and office items such as PC keyboards, printers, cell phones, TV remotes, and furniture. Please note that the cleaning gel should not be used on water-sensitive surfaces. Overall, PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is a convenient and effective solution for keeping your car and home clean. What we like: effective in tight spaces, reusable and eco-friendly, leaves no sticky residue, fun and easy to use, good value for money. What we don't like: may leave a slightly greasy feel. Effectiveness decreases after multiple uses. Number 2. FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gels. FiveJoy cleaning gels are a set of 4 universal auto-detailing tools that can clean the nooks and crannies of your car interior, electronic devices, and office products. They are easy to use by kneading the gel into a ball and placing it on the dirt surface, then pulling it up slowly to take away the dirt. These cleaning gels are safe and eco-friendly, made of biodegradable gel and not sticky to the hand, with a light fragrance that is not pungent or irritating to the skin. The set includes 4 colors and is efficient in removing 99.99% of harmful particles and dirt from surfaces. They are also reusable and can be stored easily in their independent bag packaging, making them a convenient and time-saving cleaning solution. What we like: effective in tight spaces, good for dust and debris, resealable packaging, non-sticky texture, affordable price. What we don't like: may leave small residue, not as effective as expected. Number 3. DNA Motoring Car Cleaning Gel. The DNA Motoring Cleaning Gel is a versatile tool designed for effective cleaning in your car and beyond. Crafted with high-quality materials, this gel ensures durability and strength, making it reliable for your cleaning tasks. It easily reaches into tight spaces, such as air vents and small crevices, to remove dust, hair, and crumbs effortlessly. This eco-friendly gel can be reused multiple times until it changes color, providing a sustainable cleaning option. Additionally, it's perfect for various surfaces in your home or office, including keyboards and electronics, making it a practical choice for keeping your environment spotless. What we like: effective for small debris, easy and fun to use, generous quantity in jar, no strong scent, works well on oily films. What we don't like: can become moldy, may feel slightly sticky. Number 4. Slime Buddies Cleaning Gel. The Slime Buddies Cleaning Gel offers a delightful lemon scent while effectively tackling dirt and grime in hard-to-reach areas. You can easily use it to clean your car's interior, including cup holders and air vents, ensuring a fresh and tidy space. This versatile gel is also perfect for electronics, like keyboards and remotes, making it simple to keep your devices clean without any hassle. Just press it into small cracks or dusty surfaces, and watch it capture dust effortlessly, providing a convenient cleaning solution without damaging your belongings. What we like: effective in crevices, subtle pleasant scents, easy to use, great for electronics, thorough cleaning. What we don't like: cheap container quality, stuck lid issue. Number 5. Cheers Devices Car Cleaning Gel 280G. The Cheers Car Cleaning Gel is a must-have for car enthusiasts looking to maintain a spotless interior. This reusable gel effectively cleans tight spaces like air vents and console gaps, ensuring no dust is left behind. It's also versatile enough to clean electronics such as keyboards and remote controls, making it a handy tool for your home and office. The eco-friendly formula guarantees a safe cleaning experience, while its easy-to-use design allows you to simply press and lift the gel to remove dirt effortlessly. Enjoy a clutter-free environment with this convenient cleaning solution. What we like. Effective on various surfaces. Good for car detailing. Easy to use. Picks up dust and crumbs. Pleasant scent. What we don't like. Too thick for some keyboards. May become runny after use.